Hey, it's Gina with WTI. When it's nice out, I want to spend every single moment in the sunshine. I just love my wooden bench, but it was getting a little uncomfortable, and that's why I had to get this SUNROX cushion because it is so squishy and comfortable. Now, I got the 44 by 19 by 5-inch cushion, and this thing is so primo deluxe. We just love it. Before we got the cushion, the cat wouldn't even jump up on the wooden bench, but now that we do, she loves to come up on it because it's so soft. I just love this fabric. It's a really nice water resistant but still soft canvas-like fabric. I have had the fabric outside when it's been dewy, and even though it's not waterproof, the water resistant fabric makes it really easy to brush the drops off, and it doesn't leave watermarks or anything like that. Now, because it's outside, sometimes the birds use it as target practice and it gets dirt on it, but I found that it definitely cleans up easily with just a damp rag. This cushion from SUNROX has just made my outdoor experience so much better. It's so comfortable, it's beautiful. I just love it, and that's my point of view.